Welcome everyone to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on KYC verification on Coinbase exchange. Enter your Coinbase account level page. Number 1. Click on Verify Personal Information in the Level 2 step. Number 2. Please enter your full name and date of birth. Once completed, click the Continue below. Number 3. Click on the street address to proceed to the next step. Number 4. Please fill in or select your address. Number 5. Select and fill in your second address. Then click on Confirm Address below. Number 6. Please fill in the following information from top to bottom. 1. Purpose of using Coinbase. 2. Source of funds. 3. Job title. 4. Employer. Once completed, click the Continue button below. Number 7. After completing your personal information verification, return to the page and click on Verify Photo ID. Number 8. Click on the Identity Card verification option. Number 9. Prepare your second generation ID card. Tap Take Photo and prepare to scan both sides of your ID card. Number 10. Put both sides of your ID card into the green box for scanning verification. After verification, click Continue. Number 11. Authentication is successful. Congratulations. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.